Hi guys, welcome back to Travel Foreign. So today we're going to have dinner here at Easey's here in Collingwood, Melbourne. So this is a very unique restaurant. Upstairs there's a tram table seats. So we'll try to go there, but if they're full, unfortunately we have to eat here downstairs. But we can still go up and take a video of that. So let's go in and let's try their burgers. Let's go!
Going inside the restaurant, I'm surprised to see this art on the wall, known as graffitis. It's part of the restaurant's culture.
Let's go, Zach. Ethan, come here. Let's go.
Let's go! Look at this!
Come on.
Cool! Let's go!
Why are we going?
Look at this graffiti walls.
How are we eating?
It's so colorful and unique. You're like, you know,
This is full of murals.
graffiti.
Where's your very top?
Up, up, up.
Very up.
Up, up, up. Sit here, Mom. Up, up, up. More. I think so.
This is so good though.
No.
So we're on the rooftop?
Yeah.
So you can see the train.
Upon going up on these stairs, you'll see more arts or graffitis, and it's just really high as well. You have to be prepared. Maybe not for old folks, I would say, or children, but our kids are okay, they can do it. And it's really cool looking at this stuff. It's really unique, and it has some culture. Once we reach the top, we try to go inside the train and give it a, just check it, and then try to look for a seat if there are any available, maybe. But then this guy called us and told us that the seat we booked is actually outside. But it could have been a good experience, better experience, if we were able to sit inside and had it booked. That's a cool guy. What's up, bro?
It's two tables at the end.
So this is how you will order in this restaurant. They have a QR code on the table, and if you scan that, it sends your phone browser to a website called orderhungryhungry.com, and it automatically shows you all those, the menu and the food that they have in here. So what we ordered is one barbecue bacon cheeseburger, a rowdy cheeseburger, and regular chips, mac and cheese chips. I don't know why they call that chips. Mac and cheese bits, and we ordered some corn ribs as well. Well, once you're done, all you have to do is pay for it. We got confused because it says buy with Apple Pay. We don't use any of that for security purposes, but you can actually, if you look at the bottom, it says change payment. And there you can pay via debit or credit card. And that's what we did.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now we're gonna try this. So we've ordered some burgers, chili fries, mac and cheese bites. There's also corn. So yeah, let's try. I'm gonna try the fries first. Look at the fries. It's good. This is nice. Just gonna move this away. Next, I'm gonna try the chicken bites. Sorry, not the chicken bites, but this is mac and cheese bites. So it has this sauce that you can dip it. This is the This is good. This is good. What is this? Cut mo na lang. Cut.
It's like go back downstairs on the way here. They're going to go over
Okay. Okay, so I'm just tasting the side first. I'm saving the burger for last. This is the chili fries. So it has the chili con carne, and it has the chili con carne, sour cream, the fries, some green onions. So let's try this. This is good. So good. Try it again.
No.
Really, really good. Next is the corn steaks. So it's just a corn and some seasonings on top. It's good.
Let's go a simple.
Really good. Now I'm gonna try. This is the Rowdy Burger. So this has the meat patty. So it has double patty, bacon, cheese. I also have dim sum. So it's like a dumpling. Just to try it, there's onion, ketchup, jalapeno in the bun. Now I'm gonna try it. It's time to try this. It's a good burger. It's really good. It's very tasty. The bun is super soft. And it's juicy. It looks like, yeah.
You got lobster?
It's really good.
Alright, we'll continue eating this.
Yep, so we'll just keep on eating. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you can visit this unique restaurant here in Melbourne City. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on our next vlog. Bye!
Well, I think I'm not easily pleased when eating at a restaurant. I'm really going to say what I feel about the food. And I won't go bias or anything like that. Now, this is not a sponsored post or anything. So, what I could say is that this restaurant is something that you should not miss while in Melbourne. The food is delicious. The place is really cool. It's very unique. I just loved it here. So, yeah. You should visit this place, guys.